Who was the first Filipina crowned as Miss Universe?
Gloria. Wait. Gloria. Diaz.
Ha?
Diaz.
Correct! It is an organism that can live both on land and water.
Germ.
Wrong!
Animal.
Wrong!
Amphibians.
Correct! What flag is this?
France. France.
Wrong!
Wait. Russia. Russia.
Correct! In a website browser address bar, what does www stands for?
HM po kami IT. World Wide Web.
Correct! What do you call a male sheep?
Wait, alam ko yan. Reindeer? Reindeer?
Wrong!
Ram? Ram?
Correct! True or false? Istanbul is a city in Turkey.
True.
Correct! If a restaurant bill is $80 and you want to leave a 20% tip, how much is the tip?
$2.
Wrong!
$20.
Wrong!
12.
Ha?
10.
Ha?
12.
Wrong!
Yung isa mo. Yun, sabi mo lapit sa 20. 10.
Wrong!
16.
Ha?
16. 16.
Correct! What is the unit of electrical voltage?
V.
Okay. Malapit na yon, pero wrong.
Tama yun.
Bell.
Bolt.
Ha?
Bolt.
Correct! What is the study of the physical properties of matter and energy called?
Physics.
Lapit.
Physics.
Correct!
Physics.
What is the largest OPM gathering in the Philippines?
Rock Festival.
Correct! Ano mga names sila?
Lila. Princess po.
Alright, thank you so much guys!
Badu badu badu